everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of One Tool a Week. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What is it that we're going to be taking a look at this week? Well, this week I went ahead and picked up this baby right here. This is going to be the Olight U1 Pro Folding Utility Knife, and I went ahead and picked that up locally in San Antonio. If you're from San Antonio, check out Meteor Light, located at City Base Landing, I believe. I'll leave the links in the comments below, that way you can see it, and also be on the Instagram. But this is going to be it. I've been using my Milwaukee utility blade for quite some time, so ended up picking this up because it's something similar, and let's see what we got. So first of all, it is going to set you back at $53.95 on the website, and if you go at the store, I believe they're $34.99, and also on Amazon. But take a look at it. Another cool thing also is that you actually get to see anything Olights that you might want to purchase, and that way you can see how it feels and how large it is. So this is going to be how it comes with. It's going to come with this nice little prying tool, and also this little tightening up tool for it. It's just and a nice little bottle opener. So let's scoot this over, and here you're gonna have it. So you're gonna have this nice little bottle opener that it's gonna come with, nice little prying tool, and a little tool that you use to tighten it up, and you'll see why right now. And of course you're gonna have some instructions, and this is going to be the main part. Let's go ahead and open this up, and this is going to be it. This is going to be the carbon fiber style, which is very nice. I do like carbon fiber. I've always liked it, and also just a tad bit light. Now, just for comparison, you're going to see that the Milwaukee is going to be a tad bit larger, and you're also gonna have some thickness, just a tad bit thinner than the other side. You're gonna have a nice little clip that you're able to hold, and let's see here. It is pretty nice locking. Oh, it has a nice little spring to it, so very nice. As you can see, I'm not having to struggle anything. It closes on its own, which another nice little thing. So here we go. And then the main reason that I picked it up is because it's gonna come with this little bit, which is gonna be a small Phillips head and a flat head. Now, I do wish that the flat heads and Phillips head was a tad bit bigger, and you're gonna see why. This is more of a Phillips head number 2, and you can see the comparison of how much smaller. So this is gonna be more as a small little utility thing, or small little screws that you're going to be using compared to a Phillips head number 2. If Olight, if you're listening, if you were to upgrade it to something larger as far as a Phillips head number 1 or 2, you'd probably be a lot better off. More of a Phillips head number 1. And also the flathead, you can see the difference on the flathead from the Milwaukee, which of course, if you're going to be on the trade, you're going to be using the larger flathead more than you would be using the smaller flathead. So pretty big difference on there. Now you're gonna go ahead and press the button, and it's gonna go ahead and close it. That way it doesn't close up on you. And then again, you're able to flip it up, and after that you're gonna have a nice little lock that you press the lock right here. And once you press the lock down, it's gonna almost automatically go on its own. So very nice. You're gonna be able to loosen this screw right here. Once you loosen up the screw, let's see what we got. And the reason for this tool is to add that tool right here, and you're able to loosen up this screw. And once you loosen up the screw, you're able to remove the blade. So I will say another downfall from Olight is there's too many parts and components to this. You probably would be better with getting rid of this and more of a push button, but not too sure if there's a pattern on there. So we're gonna go ahead and lock this baby back up, and you're gonna grab the little tool and you're gonna lock it back up. So there you go. That way it doesn't come off. So super nice. I am gonna be using it and see how this turns out. And again, the lightness is going to be a tad bit lighter, not too much of a difference, but you will see the significant length and width on it. That way you have more space in your pockets. So pretty neat. Definitely check it out. So as always, guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and thanks for watching One Tool a Week, guys.